This video will guide you through the installation of the Wiser Thermostat Kit. Turn the power off and remove the existing controller. Attach the HubR to the existing wall plate and turn the power on. Search for Wiser Home in the App Store or Google Play and install the Wiser Home app on your phone. Open your Wiser Home app and tap Get Started to start creating your account. Select the Professional Installer option. Select your country or region. Tap HubR to begin setup. Press the Setup button on the HubR once. The green setup light will begin to flash. Then tap Next on the app. Navigate to the Wi-Fi settings on your phone or tablet and select the network called Wiser. Once connected, return to the Wiser Home app and tap Continue. Tap Next to continue setting up your HubR device. Tap Heat Source Type and Control Type to select the correct option for you, then tap Next. Select the Room Thermostat. Insert the batteries into the room thermostat to initiate the connection. Position the room thermostat in the room, either using the wall clip or the table stand provided. Once placed, you can allocate the thermostat to a new room. Enter the name of the room in which the room thermostat has been placed. Finally, check the system is working correctly. Test the boost function to check the devices are connected. To maximize comfort and energy savings, you should install a radiator thermostat in every room.